Unatheka kakhulu yani. Mpapa nje phela akuthini. Nginombala efanayo. Mhlawumbe isigebengu vele ubonje. Xolele. Zed, hey.
How you, homeboy?
I'm good.
Shout out to the LGBTQ community.
That's great. Why?
Oh, your people?
No. I never.
What you mean?
No, I never. Straight.
What do you?
Straight like a fat girl.
You like na manga? No.
Straight like a fat girl going to the kitchen. Like a fat girl going to the kitchen. I'm telling you straight.
Take your hoodie off. Let me see something.
Nah. This forehead is too big.
Let me see.
Nah, chill.
Definitely stubborn.
Oh, good.
Definitely. 100% stubborn.
I 100% stubborn. I never.
100%. Look at him how he's petting the giraffe. What the neck is looking like? Same like Masende.
Oh, it's a good body. Why? Maybe it's you, Vav. Maybe it's you. Are you?
Come, I ask you a question.
Sure, yeah, shoot, yeah.
Somebody break into your house, they put a gun to your mama's head. They say you need to suck the pill before, otherwise they're gonna shoot your mama. What you do?
It's Chai. We all dying in the house.
No, they're leaving you alive, but they're shooting your mama.
We all dying in the house, bro.
Definitely in the closet. Any man will say, I'll save my mama. Don't make you gay if somebody put a gun to your head. This one, definitely homosexual. LGBT.
Never.
Yeah. Guys, saying something here. We got 132 people. You're telling me nobody got a money gun, nobody got a Galaxy. You're playing us D like that.
Let's go.
My man here got 120 people on his side, and he's beating us on the taps.
Let's go.
And the whole LGBTQ community is on his side. And you know, the gay people, they got money.
You saw someone like me? Who did you see, Baf? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. By the barber shop. Who? I think it was me. Mautu money by the barber shop, but we mean. A few days ago on it. If it was the by the barber shop showcase, but we mean. Showcase. Indeed. If it was by the barber shop, then you mean. I go on. You mean go. Okay, because I was at the barber shop, it's following a place called following. The mailing when's the promo la paya for a barber shop season. Angiholi mina WhatsApp, angiholi mina social media. Angiholi mina social media above. Sure, yeah, I think yeah, bafu lapho ke. Lapha impela. Kade ngiyopromote wena mfethu akuthini? Kade ngiyopromote lapha. Leya barber shop engase reg. Sure, yona impela. Kade ngishaya ipromo lapha mfethu. Nje ukhangisa ibusiness lamjida, yabo. Awufethu angahlula. Uhlula kanjani? Come on guys. Yazi nginakile. How? Woza guys. Tetele mani igane yodwa siwine le match sidlule mfethu. Hayibo ndoda. Wena. Hayibo wena ujulile wena.